course content of Instructional Design, Digital Media, New Tools and Technology, Ldt 300X. In this assignment, I will discuss three subtopics. 1. My knowledge of digital media, new tools and technology, and how it will assist me in achieving future academic and work-related goals. 2. Emerging technologies for use in learning environment. And 3. My vision of e-learning technological revolution. Let's go on to the next stage, which is my knowledge of digital media, new tools and technology, and how it will assist me in achieving future academic and work-related goals. Let's go. Let's talk about the technological tools from Web 1 to the Web 3 and beyond. Here, the first web that was discovered was Web 1.0, which is called the read-only web. Web 2 was an advancement of the Web 1, which contains concepts like blogs, social media, and video streaming, which is interactive and collaborative by social learning integration. Web 3 is characterized by the way we use the web now and in the future. Blogs are journals available on the web. Video are multimedia tools that host motion pictures. There are beautiful video editing tools like Pinnacle, Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, etc. with web hosting sites like YouTube and Vimeo. We also have learned some concepts about podcasts, which are MP3 audio broadcasting on the internet. We also learned about the checklist, which is a guide to enable one take informed decisions so as to make value for his or her money in the procurement of technological tools for e-learning. Then let's talk about the second point, which is using open source digital media, freeware, shareware, and open source to make e-learning more entertaining. The freeware are softwares of no cost and have unlimited time for the user. The shareware, you can pay after a trial period or for additional functionalities. Then the open source code software are softwares that their source codes are made available to every user, no cost attached, no limitations. Let's get to the next one, which is curriculum design, engage, collaborate, and demonstrate. In this particular concept, digital media curriculum for trainers is the interactive technology that changed the game of learning through digital media and technologies. Let's look at the storyboarding. Beautiful concept. Storyboarding is the screen-by-screen what will happen in e-learning lessons or films. It is the intermediate plan, not the final piece. Note that. Then let's talk about the fifth one, which is e-learning authoring tools and LMS, used to create interactive learning contents in digital platforms using best practices. Let's get to the next stage. Importantly, the emerging technologies for use in e-learning environment. The other one is automated visual reality. It has made it possible for the learners now to have the ability to visit places they do not have physical access to. It has revolutionized the way learners learn, taking arts and science lessons to the next level, as exemplified in Z-Space. Let's go to the next one, which is holographic technology. Holographic technology is lifelike and three-dimensional reflections of an image, person, place, etc. It has the potentialities to create an engaging learning experience for learners and provide them with the visuals they need to absorb. It can be used for video conferencing, gamification, and simulating assignments and projects. Example is the Microsoft HoloSense. Let's look at what is called a marker spaces. It is a peer-based collaborative space where learners can come together to work, innovate, learn, and educate. It makes video, 3D printing, photography, and art pieces more accessible and less regulated if incorporated into learning environment. The fourth one is known as the adaptive learning. It is a computer-based method of learning that uses learning technologies that modify the presentation of learning materials to adapt to individual learner needs. Let's look at the last one, the data analytics. It empowers educators with information that allows them to shape better learning pedagogies, empower active learning, identify the factors that affect student success, and build courses that meet students' individual needs. Let's go on to the last, which is my vision about technological revolution of e-learning. The first one on the list is completion of my master's degree program, both a MicroMasters in instructional design and technology. This will enable me be proficient enough to make my valid inputs in this field. Second one, rapid authoring tools and seamless integration with LMS. It will help learners in the course of management systems. It is a blend that will allow managers to fill the training gaps when they arise and avoid the cumbersome SCOM workflow. Very important. If not right, coupling the LMS with the authoring tool may not serve to accommodate future e-learning trends, but give rise to new ones, such as user-generated content as encapsulated in adaptive learning. The next one is examination and certification of e-learning. Examination and certification of e-learning should be universal standard and the best practices from e-learning platforms, so that they shall be accepted by all and sundry and not be rejected by outstanding Fortune 500 companies. Interactivity, immersion, and gamification mechanics. It is important we listen very careful here to identify that the applications in e-learning in the future should have features that should help videos have user speed or ideal playback, make classroom or collaborative as classroom courses, receive immediate responses to questions like the face-to-face classroom work, have leaderboard feature to rank users globally by location or within their organizations to know their standpoint. For immersion, it should make people not only pass examinations but transit their knowledge in the real world. For telepresence, which is the last one, telepresence training, if achieved, it's a concept that will allow online learners to feel as if they are together in the same room. I want a combination of visual reality with telepresence. It will achieve complete immersive visual meeting. Thank you very much.